her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease, bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me, 'cause she got it.
Welcome back to my channel Z MotoGP. Here I will tell you about MotoGP and other races, which are actually trusted and up to date. If you want to receive information back from us, please subscribe, like, share and ring the bell. Thanks a lot.
Drama has immediately occurred on the first day of the 2023 French MotoGP event. The 2023 French MotoGP results update from the Le Mans circuit today contains the results of the first and second free practice or FP1 and FP2, which were controlled by KTM rider Jack Miller. For information, in FP1 Jack Miller was the fastest with his KTM. Miller made a time of 1 minute 32.449 seconds at the Le Mans circuit. In second place after Jack Miller there is Luca Marini, then another KTM rider, namely Brad Binder, in third place. Meanwhile, Fabio Quartararo and Marc Marquez had to be knocked out of the top 10 in FP1, in 11th position, and 12th. In the second free practice session, FP2, of the 2023 French MotoGP, Jack Miller was again the leading rider at the Le Mans circuit. The best time recorded by the KTM rider is 1 minute 30.950 seconds. In second and third place are Aleix Espargaro from Aprilia and Marco Bezzecchi from Muni VR46 Ducati. In the first 15 minutes of the session, no rider has managed to break Jack Miller's best time. At the end of the session, Aleix Espargaro recorded the best time. But again Jack Miller took his position and managed to carve out the best time of 1 minute 30.950 seconds.